Hi, before you continue to watch this video, make sure you watch part 1 and part 2 of the video. In the last two part of our video, we have explained some of the single pane views of the Jennifer dashboard, which are the real-time monitoring features of Jennifer. At this moment, we will continue to explain the rest of those dashboard screens. So, welcome to part 3 of the video, and let's hop into the explanation. The next dashboard that we'll explain is the Event Dashboard screen. On this screen, we can perform real-time monitoring of domain group, domain, and instance status, and individual events together. The different color indicators that are shown on the domain group's tree, instance names, and the event list indicates the three states of the alert. The blue color indicates a normal event, the yellow color indicates a warning event, and the red color indicates a fatal event. Based on the target selected in the domain group tree, we can monitor domain groups and domains together with event status. If selected, instance status and event list targets will be changed. On the instance status, the three color indicators will indicate the event status of each instance on the selected domain group or domain. The letter that is shown in the circle is the initial of the instance name, and the stopped instance will be shown with the stop sign. The event list will show the individual status of the events with its color indicator based on the selected domain group or domain, or based on a selected instance. Users can double-click on the instance name in the instance status to launch a pop-up window of the event list. And, by clicking on the individual event in the event list, users can see a more complete message of the event. Let's continue to the next dashboard. The next dashboard is the System Resource Dashboard screen. On this screen, we can comprehensively monitor real-time trends of CPU and memory where the agent is installed. The top bar of the System Resource Dashboard is a multiple instance selection bar that shows the list of the instances in a domain group or a specific domain that is being monitored. The charts that are provided in the System Resource Dashboard are System CPU Utilization Equalizer Chart, System CPU Utilization Real-Time Line Chart, Process CPU Utilization Equalizer Chart, Process CPU Utilization Real-Time Line Chart, System Memory Utilization, System Memory Usage, Process Memory Usage, and Heap Memory Usage. The next dashboard is the DB-SQL Dashboard screen. On this screen, we can perform real-time monitoring of metrics related to SQL of service that uses RDBMS in real time. The top bar of the DB-SQL dashboard is a multiple instance selection bar that shows the list of the instances in a domain group or a specific domain that is being monitored. The charts that are provided in the DB-SQL dashboard are Speed Bar, Active Service Equalizer Chart, Active SQL Equalizer Chart, Active Service Real-Time Line Chart, Active SQL Real-Time Line Chart, SQL Counts, Fetch Count, and XView. The next dashboard is the DB Connection Dashboard screen. On this screen, you can monitor performance data related to DB connections. For the Java platform, we can use the JMX connection pool setting in the monitoring section to monitor them with connection pool data provided from the application server. The top bar of the DB Connection Dashboard is a multiple instance selection bar that shows the list of the instances in a domain group or a specific domain that is being monitored. The charts that are provided in the DB Connection are Speed Bar, Active Service, DB Connection, Idle DB Connection, Active DB Connection, Today Idle DB Connection, and Today Active DB Connection. The last dashboard is the Business Dashboard screen. On this screen, we can monitor the real-time business performance for a domain at once. If it says business is not yet configured, we have to configure it in the Business Setting menu, in the Monitoring Target section. The top bar of the Business Dashboard is a single domain selection bar that shows the list of the instances in a domain group or a specific domain that is being monitored and can be switched by clicking on the domain name listed. The charts that are provided in the Business Dashboard are the Real-Time Business Tree Chart or Business Active Service, Transaction Per Second or TPS, Active Service, Concurrent Users, Response Time, and XView. So, that's all about the Jennifer single pane view of the real-time dashboard screens. Make sure you watch all the 3 parts of the videos to fully understand each dashboard. As we told you, the explanation of the metric chart will be delivered in separated video. Thanks for watching and see you again in the upcoming videos. Bye.